observed whether the public participation was sufficient to meet the test is a question of fact. We agree that the Constitution must be interpreted holistically as was held in CCK and others versus Royal Media Services and others. Under Section 36(2) of the Community Land Act, an agreement relating to investment in community land can be made between the investor and the community. Section 36(3) provides that no agreement between an investor and the community shall be valid unless it is approved by 2/3 of adult members of a community assembly meeting called to consider the offer and at which a quorum of 2/3 is met. This requirement is replicated in Rule 22 of the Community Land Act Regulation 2017.
In view of the foregoing, this court must therefore issue orders that not only remedy the violations but also reinforce constitutional accountability and discourage any future disregard of participatory and lawful processes. We now summarize our findings and conclusions on the issues framed for determination as follows. 1. It's our finding that the petitioners have the requisite local standard to institute this petition on their behalf and on behalf of members of Merti Sub-County, Chari and Cherab wards in Isiolo County. 2. We find that the petition before the court was pleaded with sufficient precision, setting out the nature of petitioners' alleged violations and meets the constitutional threshold set out in the Anarita Karimi case. 3. We find that the petitioners did not, in instituting this petition, breach the doctrine of remedies. 4. We find that the petition raised justiciable issues, controversies, and significant questions of fact and law, whose resolution lies within the ambit of the Constitution rather than statutes. 5. We find that the second and eighth respondents have breached their constitutional and statutory mandates by facilitating, or rather by failing to facilitate, the registration of the unregistered community land in Chari and Cherab wards, Merti Sub-County in Isiolo. 6. It's our finding that the establishment of the conservancies in the unregistered community land in Chari and Cherab wards has been undertaken in breach of the constitutional principles of public participation as enshrined in Articles 10 and 69, 1, D, E, and F of the Constitution. 7. We find that the first, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth respondents are conducting activities relating to community conservancies outside the constitutional and legal frameworks and have, as a result, infringed and violated the petitioner's constitutional rights, including but not limited to property rights. 8. We find that the existence and operation of armed rangers in the conservancies in Chari and Cherab wards under the management of the first respondent are illegal and unconstitutional. Ultimately, the court finds that the petition is merited and proceeds to issue the following orders. 1. A declaration does hereby issue that the establishment of conservancies in Chari and Cherab wards, Merti Sub-County, was undertaken without due public participation and is consequently unconstitutional. 2. A declaration does hereby issue that Cherab Community Conservancy, operated and chaired by the third respondent, and Bulesa Biliko Community Conservancy, operated by the fourth, fifth, and sixth respondents, are operating illegally insofar as establishing and purporting to establish conservancies in Chari and Cherab wards, Merti Sub-County goes. 3. A permanent injunction does hereby issue prohibiting and forbidding the respondents, jointly and severally, whether acting by themselves, their agents, servants, representatives, assignees, and or umbrella bodies of the first respondent from entering, mapping, surveying, and delineating, carrying out conservatory operations, including the recruitment, employment, or entering into any other forms of contracts, evicting community members, carrying out any activities, or in any way disposing the unregistered community land in Chari and Chera Boards, Meti Sub-County. 4. A permanent injunction is hereby issued prohibiting the first, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth respondents, jointly and severally, whether acting by themselves or anyone under them, from operating or deploying rangers or guards to operate in any part of Chari and Cherab Ward, Meti Sub-County. 5. An order is hereby issued directing the second respondent to coordinate with the eighth respondent and the petitioners and offer necessary facilitation on the registration of the community land in Chari and Cherab Ward, Meti Sub-County under the Community Land Act. 6. An order does hereby issue directing the seventh respondent to revoke any and all licenses and authorities that may have been granted to the first, third, fourth, and fifth, and sixth respondents related to the establishment and management of community conservancies within Cherab and Chari Wards, Meti Sub-County. 7. An order does hereby issue compelling the ninth respondent and the Isiolo County Police Commandant to oversee the implementation of the orders sought herein and to ensure that peace and order is maintained. 8. The court declines to grant any damages. 9. Costs are awarded to the petitioners to be borne by the respondents jointly and severally. This judgment is dated this 24th day of January 2020.